we've got all the systems in place in the game, and specifically we got them all in place in our level 1, our level 2 that we currently have in use is completely useless to it. So I'm going to delete that level 2 from the game. Just going to process it for a second, and then we've got our level 1. I'm going to save our current level 1 now as level 2. As I did before, I'm going to make it slightly different just by moving one of these bricks down. We'll move the green one down again. For some reason that is apparently my favorite one to move, just to make it stand out a little bit. But now our level 2 will actually be able to carry over all the stuff we previously had it doing. So we'll be able to keep our high score, we'll be able to keep our multiplier going, we'll be able to keep all our sound effects playing just the way we want them to. We need to make sure and we add that into our build again. Oh, it's actually still remaining in here by default just because there was previously a level 2 in here. So that's perfectly fine, we're happy enough with that. And that's all fine and dandy. So we've set up this kind of basic level 2. That's grand. For the purposes of this little bit of a tutorial, I haven't done anything more to it. But as a challenge to yourself, what you should set out and do now is create multiple levels in our game and make it so that they have different designs, different color patterns, and make it so that it's a little bit more interesting for yourself to play. And I'm looking forward at the end of all of these projects seeing your own submissions of how you have carried out these levels. So now that we've got a couple of different levels set up, we're going to go ahead and look at how to create a victory screen for when our player completes all the levels in the game.
Konnichiwa.